how to invest in ETFs on Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to invest in ETF on Robinhood. If you want to do it, so go ahead and open up a browser, type in robinhood.com and log into your Robinhood account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which will look something like this. So here, what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and invest or open the ETFs details. So I'm gonna go with the crypto section, and here you could go and explore the crypto that's available. So select ETF. So when you locate ETF, you just have to go and press that, and you'll need to go to the detail page. Now here, what you have to do is scroll down a bit, go to select buy, or you could just tap on the trade button, then select dollars or share for ETF. Now choose the recurring investment in order type. After that, you could enter the start date, frequency, preferred payment method, and dollar amount as well. Next thing, what you can do is you could also trade the fractional share of ETFs on Robinhood, which are pieces of the whole share. Fractional shares can be small as 1 to thousands of the shares, and trading them in a commission. This way you could go and invest in EFTs in your Robinhood account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.